The Honor Magic V Flip represents Honor's debut into the flip-style foldable smartphone segment, marking its entry with bold design choices and an innovative feature set. Positioned as a premium device, the Magic V Flip seeks to rival established players like Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series. Its standout feature is a remarkably large 4-inch outer display, paired with a 6.8-inch foldable main screen, both of which are 120 Hz LTPO OLED panels. With its slim build and cutting-edge hinge design, the Magic V Flip offers a compelling option for users looking for advanced technology in a stylish, compact form. However, as of now, it's available only in China, and there is no official announcement on its international release. Now let's move on to a more comprehensive review. Design. Weighing 193 grams and measuring just 7.2 millimeters in thickness when open, 14.9 millimeters when folded, the Magic V Flip boasts a slim and elegant profile. The device exudes a premium feel thanks to its aluminum frame and glass back, offering a polished, high-end look. The build quality is further enhanced by its stainless steel titanium hinge, which is engineered for durability. Honor promises a hinge lifespan of 400,000 folds, which translates to about 10 years of use under normal conditions, making it one of the most robust foldables in the market. The phone is offered in a selection of color options that emphasize elegance and modernity. The phone's closing mechanism is smooth, leaving no visible gaps, ensuring a tight seal when folded. Display. The Magic V Flip's display configuration is one of its defining features. The main 6.8-inch foldable display features a 120 Hz LTPO OLED panel, delivering crisp visuals with excellent color reproduction. The display offers 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution, ensuring that the user experience is sharp and vibrant. In addition to the flexible main display, the 4-inch outer display is notably larger than most competitors' secondary screens, offering more usability without having to unfold the device. Both screens support always-on functionality, and with their high brightness levels, outdoor readability is impressive. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, video playback, and gaming experiences, while HDR10+ support boosts the quality of high dynamic range content. Performance. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset powers the Magic V Flip, offering reliable performance for a wide range of tasks, from web browsing and multitasking to gaming. However, the chip's clock speed is capped at 3.0 GHz, slightly lower than some flagships, which may not appeal to hardcore gamers seeking peak performance. In terms of memory and storage options, the phone comes with 12 GB of RAM across all configurations, paired with 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of UFS 3.1 storage. While this setup ensures speedy read-write operations and smooth multitasking, it does not support microSD expansion, limiting storage flexibility. Despite strong day-to-day performance, prolonged use can cause the phone to warm up, especially during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. Camera. The Honor Magic V Flip features a triple camera setup on the back, led by a 50-megapixel primary sensor. The main camera offers sharp, detailed images, especially in good lighting conditions, but the color balance can sometimes lean toward oversaturation. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera adds versatility to the camera suite, although it lacks some of the sharpness and detail of the main sensor. Edge distortion is noticeable in certain wide-angle shots. The 50-megapixel selfie camera delivers high-resolution images and handles skin tones well in both normal and portrait modes. However, in low-light situations, the performance drops, with a noticeable increase in noise and loss of detail. Video recording capabilities max out at 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, and while the quality is solid, it lacks the professional-grade features found on higher-end devices. The EIS, electronic image stabilization, helps to keep videos steady, but it's not on par with full optical stabilization systems. Battery. The 4,800 mAh battery in the Magic VI Flip is quite impressive, providing 19 hours of web browsing and nearly 23 hours of video playback on a single charge. This endurance is among the best for foldable phones, making it an ideal choice for users who need long-lasting battery life. The phone supports 66-watt fast charging, which can bring the battery to 70% in just 35 minutes and fully charge it in under an hour, 57 minutes. Unfortunately, the device does not offer wireless charging, which is a noticeable omission for a premium smartphone. Software. Magic OS with unique features. Running on Android 14 with Honor's Magic OS 8.0 overlay, the Magic V Flip offers a refined user interface packed with custom features. Magic OS brings features like Magic Capsule, a dynamic island-like feature that consolidates notifications and interactions in one space, similar to Apple's iPhone UI. Another notable addition is Magic Portal, which allows for drag-and-drop functionality between apps, enhancing multitasking. However, some limitations arise due to the China-centric software design. Many apps and features of the external display, for instance, are optimized for the Chinese market, leaving international users with fewer compatible options. The outer display, while larger than competitors, does not offer full access to third-party apps outside China, reducing its potential usefulness. Connectivity. The Magic YP Flip offers dual nano-SIM support, allowing users to manage two numbers simultaneously, but it lacks eSIM support, which may be a drawback for users who prefer or require this feature. The phone supports Wi-Fi 6, though it does not support the 6 GHz band, which means it misses out on the fastest speeds available with Wi-Fi 6E. Bluetooth 5.3 is present, offering robust wireless connectivity for peripherals, and NFC is included for payments and other uses. Unfortunately, the phone is limited to Widevine L3 for streaming, meaning it cannot stream in HD from popular services like Netflix or Amazon Prime, which is a significant drawback for users who enjoy streaming content in high quality. Thermal management and audio. During intensive tasks, the Magic V Flip can become quite warm, especially near the camera module. In our tests, it reached temperatures of 47 degrees Celsius, which made the device uncomfortable to hold for extended periods. While everyday tasks and light use do not cause heating issues, sustained performance under heavy load will lead to noticeable temperature increases. In terms of audio, the Magic VI Flip's stereo speakers provide decent sound output, but bass response is somewhat lacking. For a foldable phone, the audio quality is serviceable, though it won't rival dedicated music-focused smartphones. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable wireless audio transmission, and the USB-C port offers wired audio support as well. Conclusion: a solid foldable with room for improvement. The Honor Magic VI Flip stands out in the foldable market thanks to its larger-than-average outer display, long battery life, and overall solid build quality. However, it comes with a few notable compromises. The lack of wireless charging, eSIM support, and HD streaming options might make it less attractive to some users. Furthermore, the phone's thermal performance during heavy usage and software limitations outside China could be deal breakers for international customers. Despite these drawbacks, the Magic V Flip is an impressive first entry into the foldable flip phone market for Honor. With its excellent design, versatile camera setup, and feature-rich Magic OS, it's a viable alternative to more established foldable smartphones. Thanks for watching TECNO Mobile. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.